Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath here it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Black MB Tex interior with a salt pattern trim, panorama sunroof. CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium one package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, convenience package with auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This CLA has 31,821 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250, visit us at feldmanimports.com.